Holy. Oh God, have mercy, Jesus. Oh God. Forgive them, Lord, because they know not what they have done. Every mako shata, yebo kosate, meko sha, raba sita, memo koto, raba, mash it up. Jesus. He just take a hug and a kiss from Owie to bring back Neisha to life. And him couldn't even get that. And the world was so blinded. They was so stupid. Jesus. Glory, glory, glory. Oh, this enough for me. Sabaclay enough for me. This enough for me. This enough for me. This enough for me. Owie not done, Owie. Owie them not stop till them kill you. Jesus, holy, 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 holy. Holy Lord, as we come to you, God, as we come to you this afternoon, Almighty, we want you to break every chain, Almighty God. The act of the wicked is not done, oh God, but you see your child, Almighty God, and you see what they're trying to do, Almighty God. And I'm asking this afternoon to send angels, God, to encamp around him, God, to protect him, God, from the witch and the warlock that is out there to devour him, God. You tell me, Jesus, you said it's not over. You said it's not over. You said there is more to come. But in your name, in your gracious name, we cancel every assignment. We break down every ramoko sota, every neko sate. We pull them down. We pull them down. Every ramo koto, mama kata. We pull them down. Jesus. Oh God, this is not for me, God. This is not for me, God. But the word of my mouth. The tongue is very powerful, God. And we ask for your presence. We ask for your presence for the child's sake. I see that the battle is not over. It's not over. But for your child's sake, God, we ask. We ask. We ask for the protection. I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. I'm on my knees. God. Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. I'm on my knees, God. I'm on my knees for that child, God. Break every yoke. I say break every chain. I say send it back to the sender. Jesus. Jesus. It's too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. God, step in, God. God, step in, God. Destroy that altar. Destroy that table. Burn up the candle. Mash it up. Pull it down. That altar that you have over this man's life. We bring it down. We destroy it. We mash it up. We burn that altar. Robo kota ya baba bo koto ye bebe kota mama mama sata ibo kosoto ye bebe kete ye mama mama kota ya mama sente de la sata ibo kosoto ye mama mama kota ya mama mama sata ye bo koto ye bo sete hakata la bo ye kama mama sati la bo sota ye bo kota ya la ba ye bo ya mama mama sata ye koto ye mama mama sata ya ay baba yeah, ya baba ko te ribo sende de bo sete calma mama kota da baya ya mama sete o so koto la baba sata ye bo sata rabo sete ye be ay la baba sanga de shut ta 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 ye their life in your hands, God. I see that it's not over. But if you don't step in now, if you don't step in now, God, if you don't step in now, God, you show me, God. If you don't step in now, God, yeah, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm.